Welcome to the brand new episode of Kinetic Tech. As you already know, a glass of water will no longer suffice once you are introduced to a smart water bottle. These water bottles far surpass your standard water bottle, offering a digital experience typically reserved for larger appliances. A smart water bottle can help you improve your health while making hydration fun. Based on our in-depth research of today's latest and greatest models, these are the best smart water bottles of 2022. First in the list is Crazy Cap 2. Crazy Cap uses modern UVC water purification technology to purify your water and to clean your bottle by itself. Drinking tap water can be scary while traveling in different countries, and bottled water can be expensive and also a threat to the environment. Crazy Cap's ultra-durable design not only lasts a decade but also keeps away a ton of single-use plastic usage. Crazy Cap removes harmful impurities and bring out the best, so you can feel confident with every sip. It is built with deep UV LED sterilization technology that protects you from bacteria, parasites, and viruses. It features a double-walled vacuum insulator to keep your drink cool for 24 hours or hot for up to 12 hours. The next generation self-cleaning bottle with built-in UVC LED water purification that gives you purified water on the go. You can also use Crazy Cap with other bottles also. It is easy to use and no need to replace the filters. Crazy Cap purifies water in 2 different levels. Tap the intuitive touch sensor twice for normal purification or tap 5 times for Crazy Mode purification. It utilizes no chemicals and lasts a whopping 500,000 water treatments. Plus, it goes a full week on one charge. The charger is easy to use, requires no USB plugs or buttons for charging, and a single charge lasts a whole week. Crazy Cap's advanced UV LED sterilization technology is so powerful that it can be used on any contaminated surface, whether it is a keyboard, cell phone, or toothbrush. Free yourself from single-use plastic and switch to sustainable living. No more worrying about water quality. You can rely on Crazy Cap. Next in the list is Equa. The Equa Smart Water Bottle has a sensor tracker at the bottom of the bottle that syncs to the accompanying phone app to track your water intake. It calculates your daily water needs. The app's start screen is your hydration tracker, where you'll see your goal, how much you should have had at that point of the day, and how much you drank. Equa Smart Water Bottle become your healthy lifestyle reminder and a hydration tracker builder. Every glow will be there to remind you to take a sip of water and a moment for yourself. It responds to your smart gestures. Handy finger loops, which makes it easy to carry and more fashionable than ever. As you drink, Equa keeps track of how much you're drinking through motion sensing technology, and the bottom of the bottle will glow to remind you to take a sip. The Bluetooth-enabled Equa Smart Water Bottle pairs with a companion app for iOS or Android to help you personalize your hydration experience. Now comes Hydrate Spark Pro. Hydrate Spark Pro, the world's smartest water bottle ever created. Hydrate Spark Pro glows when it's time to drink and connects via Bluetooth. The Hydrate Spark Pro bottle glows throughout the day to remind you when you need to drink. So customize your glow color, pattern, and frequency within the Hydrate Spark app. Available in stainless steel vacuum insulated material, keeping drinks cold up to 24 hours in lightweight, shatter, and odor-resistant Triton plastic. LED smart sensor glows to remind you when it's time to drink and tracks your water intake by syncing via Bluetooth to the Hydrate Spark app. Meet Lark. The Lark bottle is the world's first self-cleaning water bottle using innovative non-toxic mercury-free UVC LED technology to purify water and clean the inner surfaces of the bottle by eliminating odor-causing bacteria and viruses. Go beyond filtration with a unique multi-stage filtration and purification system for crisp drinking water. The Lark bottle is a travel-friendly insulated stainless steel water bottle with a luxurious proprietary two-tone powder coat and matte finish. The Lark uses a unique two-step process to improve the quality of your water, giving you fresh-tasting water sip after sip. Works at the touch of a button and self-cleans by intelligently activating every 2 hours to keep your bottle fresh and stink-free. Keeps water cold for 24 hours and hot for up to 12 hours with double-wall insulated stainless steel construction. The Lark water bottle kills bacteria and viruses, so you don't have to buy any tablets or extra equipment for purifying water from the outdoors or when traveling. Next is LifeFuels. Do you drink enough during the day? Let me rephrase that: do you drink enough healthy fluids each day? And Diet Coke is not a healthy fluid. If you're not a fan of drinking plain water, the LifeFuels Smart Water Bottle, along with specially designed fuel pods, may help. Make up to 90 beverages from 3 fuel pods stored in the base. Fill the vessel up with water, dispense, mix, and enjoy. It is very simple to use. Press the cycle pods, long press to dispense. Use the LifeFuels app to track your daily water and supplement intake. With its variable dispensing technology, it provides precise nutrition every single time. With its Pro Pulse hydration technology, it calculates your water intake to keep you healthy and hydrated. Insert any of zero sugar and zero-calorie elixir pods to add flavored electrolytes to your water. Inject any of the 3 pods to your desired flavor intensity. Enjoy the perfect mix of water and electrolyte-packed flavor with every drink day. This is Trogo. Trogo is the world's first connected smart water bottle. Intelligent, accurate, and versatile. Trogo's vision is to change the way people think about hydration. Trogo comes with a great bottle of its own, but is designed to fit on any standard wide-mouth water bottle. So feel free to take the cap off our bottle and put it on yours. Trogo automatically syncs with your smartphone, mobile health applications, and other wearable devices, adjusting your optimal hydration level along the way. Trogo is a patent-pending water bottle that accurately measures how much you drink. Trogo uses patent-pending ultrasonic technology to measure precise water consumption data. It connects to your smartphone and other wearable devices and allows you to set and measure intelligent hydration goals. Trogo helps you pinpoint the perfect amount for you. If your activity level increases or the weather that day is particularly hot and humid, Trogo will adjust your water consumption recommendations accordingly. Trogo knows when you're drinking, when you refill, and even when the bottle is in a backpack or gym bag. As a result, Trogo can take accurate measurements and conserve battery power accordingly. Not only that, Trogo will also automatically update your water consumption data. Last in the list is Level Up Whey Glass. If you're all about the healthy lifestyle, you surely understand the importance of proper hydration for your body. The lid is made up of stainless steel. It is based on solid polymer electrolysis (SPEs) and uses PEM ionic membrane for maximum hydrogen retention. Borosilicate double-wall glass, temperature resistant. Also equipped with the USB charging port on the go. To use the bottle, first open the lid, fill the water, and then close the lid. Now press the power button to let the water hydrogenate. With regular use, purified hydrogen water will simply reset your metabolism, helping prevent bad cholesterol and slowing down the aging process. Rich in antioxidants, it helps improve sleep quality, fight off inflammation, and improves your skin's health